Hello. Today we have made her a small ball of, well, you can see for yourself. And she thinks it's awesome. It's, I have to knit it together again every time after she played with it. Then I give her the ball again and she eats it up and make a spider web all over the room. And then she plays with it again, and now you can see she's eating it. Is that really good, Cotton? Really now? That seriously can't be good. It's been all over the floor and yuck. But she's awesomely cute. Huh? Are you awesomely cute? Huh? She do loves her ball. She's been bored all morning and been going around the apartment. She's an indoor kitty, so she doesn't really like to be outside. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Yeah? Yeah? And there's Velvet, her black kitty. We call them Yin and Yang. She's probably going to grab a bite. And there's the yarn. I don't think it's the yarn, right? No, it's something else. Oh well. Thanks for watching, anyway, and leave a comment or a video response. And don't forget to subscribe. See you later.